Hi viewers, this is Anushri from CIAB. CIAB is one of the best organization in Hyderabad, and we are here from 14 years, 14 plus years, and we do process for Australia, UK, US, and also UK, and I deal with UK. And for UK, we are having a three intakes, that is Jan, September, and a May intake, and I will guide the whole process for the student. Depends on the profile, and here are like the benefits to go UK is the student can go with IELTS and without IELTS, and if student is having a 65 plus or a 70 percentage marks in his English, he can go without IELTS, and if he is not, he have to attempt IELTS. So there are two benefits, without IELTS and with IELTS. So the biggest intake, the major intake will be September intake for UK. Okay, by looking on the profile, depends on the profile, I will be shortlisting the universities. Universities will be selected inside London and outside London also. So coming to London, universities and the cost of living in London will be a little expensive compared to outside London. So depends on the profile, I will be shortlisting you the universities, and once application process is done, student have to get ready with his financials, his fee payment, and all these things. Once everything is done, the visa guidance and the visa assistance will be done by us only. Once visa is approved, and we are also taking care of all the students. So coming to January intake, the rules have been changed, the point based system have come, and not there are many doubts that can a dependent visa be much successful or not. So a dependent visa can also be done for UK. So the process is, one student have filed the visa, at the same time the spots can also file the visa before one student is filed. Once the student visa is approved, after that only sports have to apply. So from this intake, the sports and the student can file the visa at the same time only. They have to show their financials at the same time. So dependent process can be done for UK also. So coming for the next January intake, there have been changes. It's point based system. So I'm going to tell you what is existing and what to be proposed. Okay, so coming for the CAS, there will be a 40 points. There used to be a 40 points, and there the upcoming will be a 70 points. So 30 points for the CAS and 10 for the financials, and coming for the upcoming, the proposed to be 50 for the CAS and academics, 10 for financials, and 10 for English language test, that will be or IELTS or anything to be. So coming for the approx free structure, the existing inside London is 11,385 pounds, and coming to the upcoming will be 12,006 pounds, and outside London the existing will be 9,135 pounds, and coming to the proposed, the upcoming will be outside London is 9,207 pounds, and there will be 5 years capping, and the proposed will be no study time limit will be applied if they study above degree levels. Coming to COVID situation, and we have sent 50 to 60 plus students from our organization, and they are, after going to the UK, like after going there, there will be a 14 days quarantine for the student. Once quarantine is done, they are allowed for the orientation programs or for the universities or any part-time programs there. They are allowed outside after 14 days quarantine only. Each and every care is taken care by the UK people and the UK government there, and after 14 days quarantine only, student is allowed out to the university or any part-time program. Please like, share and subscribe Hyphen News Telugu. Please like, share and subscribe Hyphen News Telugu.